Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have surf and turf. Surf and turf. Okay, so we have filet mignon, and we have some grilled shrimps, and we have some broccoli cheddar rice. So what's missing in the middle is the asparagus. Me butt up the asparagus.
It's all good. You're still gonna enjoy this beautiful meal.
Translation: the asparagus got burnt. Don't know what happened, but it got burnt.
It's all good.
Rice is good, man.
What kind of rice they say this is again? Rice pilak? Mignon?
Cheddar cheese.
Oh.
No.
You telling us filet mignon?
Yeah, man, Mr. Filet mignon.
Oh, okay. Yeah, family, I can't even pronounce it because it's expensive steak. Filet mignon expensive, right?
Oh. It's not that bad in price.
That's what I'm eating, family. Wow, those are the onions. Onions.
Shit is hot.
First, the onion.
Onions. Yeah, man.
Damn, the way there's the shrimp taste, I know the asparagus taste. Like the same season.
Yep. I had made ranch asparagus. I seasoned it. Put ranch dressing all over it. It's like seasoning. It was good until it burned. I hope the steak is cooked.
It's all good.
The way I like it. Ooh.
Wow.
Wow, it's cooked to perfection. How we like it. Medium well.
Is medium well on that one? Oh, I thought it was medium rare.
Medium rare and the blood you like.
Family. Oh, wow, sorry. Yeah, I missed that. Yes, you know what to do. I'll wait. You know? Subscribe. You know? When you finish watching the video, you share. When you finish watching, just comment. Okay?
The video almost didn't happen enough. I said to Richie, we can't do a video. There's no asparagus.
Yes, to be honest. I said, listen, you made it for me, young my youth. You're gonna have to make me eat this on channel.
The family member understand.
They don't understand.
You guys burn up food sometimes too?
Everybody burn up food.
Everybody burn up food.
As long as it's not the steak.
For real? Yeah, that's expensive.
Yeah. It's all good. Listen, this is hitting on this with the rice. Sweet with the rice.
That's what I'm doing with the same concept.
This is good. I like how it's seasoned well.
Season well, right? I put it right on the grill. Everything's made on the grill. Yeah, man, still. Yo! Look at that! 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 That's right.
You're zooming. I don't know where you come from. Family, I couldn't wait to come eat this food.
Richie said to me, he called me when he left work. When he texted me, he said, I'm going to stop and get gas. I said, okay, the food is done. I let him know. He said, I'm coming home now. Forget it. I'll get gas tomorrow.
Wow. I'm going to bite my filet mignon.
You want to cut it up?
Yeah, cut it for me, please. Thank you very much. Family, I can't cut steak. I'm only one-handed. There you go. Look at that. Oh. Beautiful.
And he doesn't even like for me to cut it small. He's like, he likes it big.
Yo, that's soft and nice. Wow.
But when it's cut too big, honey, it's hard to chew it.
No, man. No worry about me chewing mine. I can't buy. Just cut it big, mine. Something like my steak. Big like that. So what if she's cutting my steak for me? Yes. I'm spoiled.
I've been doing this for 20 years.
Exactly. Leave it big. It's fine with me.
Oh, hush.
Leave a piece of my bite it.
You're craving it?
I bite that part of my youth. Family, you know how it is already.
This steak is good.
Oh, how far are we in the video? Okay, wait till you get 10 minutes.
Okay.
Let me tell the family member. Ooh, them onions is busting.
It tastes really good with the steak. The onions.
Wow.
Look at that. Just a little bit of pink. Yes, man. I put my foot in this steak.
Medium.
And I would have put my foot in the damn asparagus if the asparagus didn't burn up.
It's alright.
Sometimes the grill has a mind of its own.
I like to enjoy my food. Same piece of steak. Same piece of steak, okay? You know name of that steak, you know?
No, I'm not serious shit because I mean, I'm nothing out here.
Yeah. Family, you heard what she just said. She didn't eat nothing all day, I bet you. That food ain't gonna move.
I'm eating my steak. Now put them in on this.
That food ain't gonna move. Yeah, my special sauce right here. It goes on everything, I told you that. Everything goes on. Wow.
I left the skin on the shrimp so it can stay juicy. Seasoned well too.
What?
It's the shrimp.
My name is steak with onion there. Let's see how I copy.
Oh God.
No, que me more no. Ramen. Okay. Did you tell him what you did today in the house?
What am I do?
When you say you were going live on TikTok?
I went live today on TikTok.
Doing what though?
I was cleaning up my bedroom, rearranging the bedroom. I had a lot of people.
Oh my God.
It was fun.
She said and she did it for me.
Yep, I did it this morning. I'm gonna try to start doing that.
People just coming in, huh?
It could be the same thing like on YouTube to go live. But if I remember, don't want to watch me clean. They want to watch me yum.
TikTok I eating, man.
Yeah, TikTok, I know where to go. Yo! I'm impressed with myself. Ooh, whoa.
Wow.
You alright there?
Steak hit.
Don't mind look over here now. I don't know, what are you looking on my plate for? What you guys been up to?
Not too much to be doing
What
something.
you guys got going on?
I've been waiting for this, man.
I'm glad we still did the video.
Yep. Family, the video almost didn't happen. But we said, you know what? I'm glad I put out a video. Easy for 2 videos, you know? We did say we are going to drop a video Mondays and Wednesdays. We did say.
We just say that.
So we try to keep it back up, you know? On Friday, you know, it's a pop-up. On the Fast Food Friday, you know? If we're live or not, but you know? But we're trying to keep, I give you 2 videos, you know? That's the only time we could do it. I know you don't got a problem with that, you know? Appreciate it. Wow.
You alright?
Steak, man. Steak. Wow.
You getting talking to?
Family. Steak, man. Family, we appreciate all y'all. You know what I'm saying? Keep rocking with us. We got a lot going on. We got a lot coming to y'all. Let's keep up the good work. Yeah. Wow. Wow.
The onions
But it's good, right?
is really good.
Not any onion. That's your special onions. Okay.
That's what Richie said. Man, I should have made some onions. He said, what happened to your onions? I said, oh. You're right. Such a big difference too.
I tell you. Tastes so crazy. It's different.
Yeah.
Wow. I love filet mignon. And cheddar rice.
Yeah.
But.
Broccoli cheddar rice. See, my steak had to cut like that. You can't cut it too big, man. You can't chew it.
You want to shoot them? No, let me shoot them on top. Let me shoot them, man. No, let me shoot my you. Just put me love. Take away your camera.
Each of the kids them have one shrimp because they don't really eat shrimp. They like the, you know. And we eat steak so much they tie their steak too. But this is filet mignon, yon. They say no, just regular steak, right?
Wow.
I was gonna do lobster tail instead. Our family battery dead, so our battery died, but we're back. Good thing when you have a backup battery. So you said in 2 bites you're gonna eat that out?
2 bites, that's done.
2 bites?
Yep.
Look how thick. Should we make a bet?
Family, look how thick that is.
Mm-hmm.
Let me think this.
Should we make a bet?
Look at the thickness. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look how thick that is. I love it like that.
One bite.
No, I'm supposed to take my time here.
Oh. I said you want to bet. So you want to bet?
No, I bet you money.
So you couldn't do it in 2 bites?
No. Now I bet you money. This is good. This is what people them go crazy for. Wow.
That's 2 bites ready now.
That's how I like it.
How you like it, Tom?
Medium rare. Right? Or medium well. Just how I like it. I mean, I don't know. It's medium something. And then some more rice and a pizza like Mars now.
Right there.
Should them done?
No. Just take.
So, I mean, I got a good word for y'all today.
Really?
Decent word for y'all, huh?
That's good.
Wow. I don't know, but that steak is well cooked, nice and perfect.
How's the seasoning?
Oh, amazing, my season, nice, my.
I just used Montreal steak seasoning and mixed it with the Montreal chicken seasoning. That's it. Woo! Onions them is busting.
Yeah, you didn't miss the asparagus.
I know.
See, if it was rice now, it'd be a different story now.
Yeah. Yeah. Because
Family, look. Yes, look, she did it.
I'm hungry.
She was hungry. She was hungry today. She did it. She did it. Good job. Round of applause.
I didn't eat anything today.
Even when you don't eat now, you still don't have the food. Your mouth to look a bit more you. Alright, family. Well, first day to eat.
Woo! Wait. You told them 10 minutes into the video he's gonna say something.
I already did already. That's what I said.
What you say?
You went live.
Oh.
I said I'm here to don't pass the best, my you. Family. Well, first day to be eating our food. Let me give you the word. Okay? If you can relate, you relate, you know what I'm saying? So I love when you participate too. Okay. Family, the viewers, you know, and everybody that's bushwashing. If you're listening, first lady, well, do a job. Family, first lady. Family, love yourself through the hard moments. Love yourself through all of the times you want to give up. Through all of the times you do give up, and all the times you let yourself begin again. That one make sense? Like that, you think they could relate to that?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Very much so.
For anybody, any family member, anybody that's watching that's going on some rough times, you know? If you can relate to this, just relate, okay? Love yourself through the hard moments. Love yourself through all of the times you want to give up. Through all of the times you do give up. And all the times you let yourself begin again. If you can relate, my family members relate. If you're new, I am Richie, and this is Shanice, aka First Lady. And they are...
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang. Bye.